Welcome back. Today we're going to be making an origami balloon. Let's first start out by folding it in half, like that. Then we're going to open it up, fold it in like a triangle. Squeak. Then we're going to do it the same thing on the other side. Then you're going to have an X in a little middle crease. So we're going to fold it back down like that. And fold that part in. I like to fold it in like that and then fold it in half. Like that. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then we got something like that with these flaps. Open up, goes. Then we're going to fold both of those flaps up. Like that. And both sides too. And then we're going to fold that flap to the middle. Like that. Then we're going to do it on the same side. On the other side. Then we fold it in half like that. And then we're going to push as much as you can into that pocket.
Is that a pocket?
Mm-hmm. And we're going to do it on the same and the other same thing on the other side. That much as you can. Then we're going to do the same steps we did on the other side to this side.
That looks like nothing. I want to get in the video.
Then you get like this, kind of like a diamond sort of shape. Then on the bottom right here, you're going to blow through it. There. That's your origami balloon. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.